In this video, we have Vivo Y58 5G smartphone and I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. With the help of the next feature, you can use two applications at the same time in a single screen. Let me show you how you can do this. Simply open any app and then put it in recent. Click on this app's icon. There you will see the option of split screen. Click on this. Now select the second app you want to use. As you can see, now you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. When you're using your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uneasy to reach at the top and open this control panel, but there's a gesture by which you can easily open this control panel. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on home settings. Scroll down, you will see the option of swipe downwards on home screen. Click on this. By default it is selected to global search. You have to select notification center. Now whenever you're on home screen, simply swipe down on the empty area and it will open your control panel. In this smartphone, if you will long press your power button, then it will open the Google Assistant app instead of your power menu. To change it to power menu, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of press and hold power button. Click on this and then click on press and hold power button. By default it is selected to launch Google Assistant. You have to select this enable the power and emergency mode. Now whenever you will long press your power button, it will open your power menu. You can easily hide any application in this smartphone. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on security. Now scroll down, there you will see the option of privacy and app encryption. Click on this. Firstly, you have to set a privacy password. You can set a 6-digit password or you can set a different password type. Click on password type, select your password type, here select pattern. Now draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Now you have to answer two security questions. After this, click on done. Now click on app hiding. Firstly, enable view hidden apps. Now it will show all the apps which are installed in your smartphone. Now select the app you want to hide and then click on confirm. Now if you want to access your hidden apps, then swipe up by using two fingers on the home screen. Then it will ask for that privacy password and it will open your hidden apps. So that's how you can hide and access your hidden apps in this smartphone. When your phone is locked, you can use this long press or volume down button to open flashlight. To enable this, simply open your settings, then scroll down, click on shortcut and accessibility. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of quick action. Click on this, enable quick action and then select turn on or off flashlight. Here you can also select other features or you can also open any app by this long press of volume down button, but here I have selected turn on or off flashlight. Now whenever your phone is locked, simply long press your volume down button and it will open your flashlight. In this smartphone, you can clone any app or dual any app so that you can use two different accounts of a single application. Firstly, open your settings, scroll down and then click on apps. There you will see the option of app clone. Click on this, then it will show all the apps which are clonable in your smartphone. Now select the app you want to clone. It will take few seconds and it will create a clone of this application. Wait for a few seconds and now you can see in your menu there are two Facebooks. Now you can log in with two different accounts of a same application. Now let's talk about some of the dynamic effects that comes with this smartphone. You can change the charging animation, unlock animation and much more. Firstly, open your settings and then scroll down. There you will see the option of dynamic effects. Click on this. Now there are all these effects. You can change it or customize it. For example, if you want to change the USB insertion animation, click on this. Then it will show all the options. Select your favorite one and then click on apply. You can even change the charging animation. So whenever you will plug your phone for charging, then it will show these animation. Now select your favorite one. There are I think 7 options and then click on apply. And now whenever you will plug in your charger to the smartphone, it will show that specific animation. You can change face recognition animation and home screen entering animation after unlock, etc. So you can explore this dynamic effects. With the help of next feature, you can access your favorite app very efficiently. Firstly, open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcuts and accessibility. There you will see the option of smart sidebar. Click on this and then enable this. Now you can see it will start showing this little bar on the right side of the screen. You can swipe to the left to open this sidebar. You can also customize this. Click on this little arrow. It will show all the applications. Then click on this edit icon. Now click on this plus icon to add it in the sidebar, or you can press this negative icon to remove from this sidebar. Now click on done. Now whenever you're using your phone and you need to access or open your favorite app, simply swipe from the left to the sidebar and then click on your app. It will open that app in the floating window, so you can use this one and you can keep on using your phone as usual. So this is a very handy feature. You can enable this smart sidebar feature. You can also easily lock any app in this smartphone, and without downloading any third-party app, simply open your settings, scroll down, click on security. Again, scroll down, there you will see the option of privacy and app encryption. Click on this. Firstly, you have to set a privacy password. As we have done this, simply draw your privacy password. There you will see the option of app encryption. Click on this. It will show all the apps which are installed in your smartphone. Now select the app you want to lock. For example, I want to lock my albums. Now whenever you will open your album app, it will ask for this privacy password. So that's how you can lock any app in this Vivo Y58 smartphone. If you want to show your battery percentage in your status bar, you can also do this. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on battery. There you will see the option of battery style and percentage. Click on this. You can change the style of the icon of this battery as well. And now on the bottom you will see the option of battery percentage. Now select the option. You can select display outside the battery or inside the battery, and then it will start showing your battery percentage in your status bar. Now you don't have to download any third-party app to read your deleted messages of any social media app. You can simply enable the next feature. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on notifications. There you will see the option of notification history. Click on this and then enable use notification history. Now it will save all the notification that will come to your smartphone. Now whenever someone message you and deletes it, you can simply come to this notification history feature and it will show the deleted message here. If you want to monitor your real-time internet speed in your status bar, you can also do this. Simply open your settings and then click on display and brightness. Scroll down and then click on status bar. There you will see the option of show real-time network speed. Click on this and then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. There are multiple ways by which you can click a screenshot in this smartphone. Firstly, you can use your 3 fingers and scroll down on the screen. Then it will click a screenshot like this. The next way is to use your power button and volume down button at the same time. Press these 2 buttons at the same time and then it will click a screenshot. On the status bar, there you will see the option of S capture. Click on this. Now you can take a rectangular screenshot, you can record your screen, take a long screenshot. Click on long screenshot and then scroll to adjust the length of the screenshot and then click on save. So these are ways by which you can click a screenshot in this smartphone. If you want to change this swiping animation on the home screen, you can also do this. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on home setting. There you will see the option of sliding effects. Click on this. Now it will show all the effects. Now select your favorite one and then come back to your home screen. Now whenever you will swipe to the next page on the home screen, it will show that. If you will open your camera app, then by default it is selected to this rectangular aspect ratio. You can change it to full. Simply click on settings. There on the top you will see the option of full. Now you will be able to use your camera application in the full screen. Change the navigation settings. You can also do this. You can change from 3-button navigation to gesture navigation. Simply click on settings, scroll down to the bottom. There you will see the option of system. Click on this and then click on system navigation. There you will see it is selected to 3-button navigation. You have to select gesture navigation. Now you can go back by swiping from the left or the right of the screen. Open recents by swiping up in the middle and wait for a few seconds. And if you want to come to home screen, simply swipe up from the bottom middle. So that's how you can change from 3-button navigation to gesture navigation. With the help of next 2 features, you can decrease the strain on your eyes of the screen. The first one is dark mode. You can enable this, then it will turn all the whites into black and it will decrease the strain on your eyes, so you will be able to use your phone at night comfortably. Now the second one is eye protection. If you will enable this, then it will warm the colors little and it will obviously decrease the strain on your eyes. So you can enable these two features, eye protection and dark theme, to protect your eyes. If you want to monitor your screen time and also control it, simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on widgets. Scroll down. There you will see the option of digital well-being. Click on this and then click on add widget. Firstly, tap and hold on this and then increase the size to the fullest. Now it will show all the times that you have used the specific app. You can also set a timer for this. For example, if you use YouTube a lot, simply click on this and then set a timer. After using for 30 minutes in a day, it will disable the application. So that's how you can monitor your screen time and also control it by using this widget digital well-being. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Vivo Y58 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.